Hi there, I'm so excited to have you join me for 5-minute abs today. We have 5 exercises we're going to do for a minute each with no rest in between. So let's jump right in. The first exercise we have is leg raises. So lie on your back, keep your lower back in contact with the ground the entire time, and lift your legs straight up into the air and back down until they're a couple of inches off the ground. You want to try to keep your legs totally straight here with no bend, but if this is too difficult, it's fine if you have a slight bend in your knees. You can slightly elevate your head or keep it rested against the ground, or even use a pillow for a little bit more comfort. Whatever you do, just remember to keep your lower back on the ground the whole time. That's super important to keep your back safe. We're almost done with this one, just a few more seconds. Great job, now we're getting into V jumps. So you're gonna get into a plank position on your hands, bend your knees slightly, and jump them forward to one side of your hands, as close to your hands as they'll go. And then jump back into a plank position, and then jump to the other side. Whenever I jump backwards into a plank position, I like to bend my knees a little bit for a little bit of give when I make contact with the ground, just to make sure that I can keep my lower back flat, and to make sure it's not bending at all. Again, this is to protect your back. So when you jump forward, a lot of the weight is going to be transferred into your arms, and as you lift off the ground, you should be pulling yourself forward with your abs. So this is great for abs, and it'll also work your upper body a little bit. Keep it up, just a few more seconds of this one. Awesome job, and now we're moving into our starfish. So you're lying on your back again for this one. Extend your arms and legs like a starfish, and you want to keep them just a few inches off the ground, both your arms and your legs off the ground, so just your back is in contact with the ground. And then you want to raise your upper body up off the ground and touch your hand to your opposite foot. Reset and do the same thing on the other side. If this is too difficult, you can keep your feet on the ground, but do your best to keep them a couple inches up in the air. Also keep your legs as straight as possible. You can see near the end when I get pretty tired, I'm bending my knees slightly, and that's fine. The exercise is just going to be more difficult and therefore more effective if your legs are straight. Alright, keep this up for a few more seconds, we're almost finished. Great job, and now we're getting into butterfly crunches. Stay on your back here, bend your legs, and let your knees fall to the sides, keep your feet together. From here, we're just crunching up and down. Make sure you contract your abs as much as you can in this, crunching all the way up and lowering with control back to the ground. The purpose of this butterfly position is to deactivate your hip flexor, so that's not doing any of the work. Hip flexors are overactive in a lot of the population, and we want to make sure we're really targeting our abs in this exercise. Keep going for just a few more seconds and then we'll get into our last exercise. Alright, for the final minute we're doing a plank reach. So get back into a plank position, this time on your elbows, and you're going to extend one arm forward in front of you. Get full shoulder extension, reach as high and as far as it'll go, and then bring it back to the ground and do the other side. Make sure that you're maintaining a nice straight plank position, keep your lower back up, hips in line, knees straight, and push yourself away from the ground with your elbows, keeping space between your shoulder blades. Whenever you raise one hand up, you'll be a little bit off balance, so make sure you use your obliques to keep your hips square. Try not to rotate your body, you're just moving your arm. Great job, keep this up for just a few more seconds, you're almost done with the entire workout. Awesome job, that's it. Nice quick 5-minute abs, but I hope you felt the burn like I did. If you found value in this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and hit the bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new fitness video. Let me know which exercise you liked best in the comments below, and thanks for joining me again. I'll see you in the next video.